What's up, YouTube? Mr. Brent here. Yeah, it's my new catchphrase, Mr. Brent. So, like it or not, that's gonna be my intro phrase. Hey, this is Mr. Brent. Hope you like it. Anyway, I'm cleaning out our refrigerator today, and I'm almost all the way done. But as you can see, there's a bunch of, I don't know what that is, syrup or something on the bottom. Stuff on the counter, stuff over there, and then got the stuff outside, before the bins there, vegetables, and this shelf is really dirty. I'm going to clean all that, and there's Hopper, he's going to say hi. So yeah, I will post after I'm done. We'll come back and do an after video. I didn't do the before video, but that's okay. This is probably enough junk there to show you. So I'll see you guys after I'm done cleaning and put everything back in there. Hey YouTube, Mr. Brent. I'm back. Trying to clean this stuff on the bottom. I don't know if this is syrup or what, but wow, doesn't want to come off. I think I'm gonna have to probably dump some hot water on here to melt that or something. This sponge is already torn up. I don't know what this is. I think it's syrup, but let's see if I can get it out. Catch you later. Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. Brand again. Hey, so I'm cleaning this one of the drawers for the refrigerator, and I don't know if you can see there's a piece of glass that sits on the shelf, but does anyone know how crap or whatever you want, this stuff gets underneath how does it get underneath the glass? That's what I want to know, because this is there's crumbs and dirt and all kinds of stuff on this shelf. Really, it's all in between the cracks and everything. I don't know how that stuff gets on there. This is dirty. I gotta clean this other shelf here, so I just wanted to show you that before I clean it. Talk to you soon. Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. Brent. I'm back, and you can see I got the bottom of the refrigerator cleaned. So now I'm going to do a boring video, or maybe it won't be so boring, and see if I can put this thing back together. So first, I need to start off with this shelf, and I think it's gonna go this way. If I can do this one-handed. It goes up here, I believe. Actually, there it goes down there. Okay, put that in place. And actually, I'll put those in later. I forgot to clean these other two drawers out. I'm going to rinse those out real fast. But what I can do is put, let's see, I can put this one back in there. Here. I think that's the one that goes there. Okay. Then we have our two our little shelves here for the other vegetable drawer, which I think this one. I always have a hard time putting this one back in. It's that little part in the back doesn't want to go in the notch. Come on, go in the notch on me. I gotta put it on there. Oh, get it? Yeah, it's in there. It's a little. Oh no, I didn't get it. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's a little sturdier. Okay. What else? Oh. Let's get the tempered glass here. That goes there. Should fall into place there. See if I can get it to go in there. There we go. Okay. What else? Let's see if there's anything else outside. Oh, we can put this one back in there. Oh wait, that doesn't go there. Let's see if there's anything else outside. Oh. Okay. Well, that one, that's a shelf, not a, I don't know what I'm thinking. That's not the right one. So what I need is, let me go clean these other two, and I will be back to put them in. Okay, it's up YouTube. Mr. Brant back. I cleaned out my other two vegetable drawers here, and I put the other vegetable drawer shelf back in there. Put these back in there. There's one. There's copper. Get the second one here. Put this one back in there. And let's put the cucumber back in there. I think it's still good. Let's see, that's nice and clean. All kinds of stuff in here. I'll go through some of this after I put the fridge back together. Show you guys some of the stuff that's in our refrigerator. This one's still moving around, I don't know. Okay, well that's everything there, so. Hey, it's up YouTube. I was gonna show you guys the refrigerator. I finally got it all cleaned out and stuff put back in it today. From earlier it was real dirty, but I wanted to show you guys what's in the Malone family refrigerator and freezer. So there's coffee I drink, regular Vaughn stuff. I'm not too picky about the coffee. Some ice cream, ice, pie crust, some ice packs, some Steve Petty lemon flavored vodka. That's pretty good. That's it for the freezer. Butter flavored syrup. There's my vanilla flavored creamer for coffee. This stuff, I don't know if you guys have seen this lingonberry concentrate stuff. It's from IKEA. If I can show you IKEA. Anyway, when me and my wife would go to California to visit my mom, we always try to stop at one of the IKEAs the one in San Diego, or there's another one, I forget, somewhere in the Los Angeles area. We stop at IKEA. My wife would get lingonberry and some other stuff, but this stuff's pretty good. As you mix 1 part concentrate with 4 parts of water. Pretty good stuff. More of our syrup, stuff like that. Milk. Yeah, I don't need to go grocery shopping. Looks like we don't have anything in the fridge. That's that. So you guys, a little coffee maker we use. Mr. Coffee, and this is the one that you can either put your grounds in here. Let's see if I can. It's going to make a mess. So, but you can put your ground coffee in there, and then brew it. Or you don't turn the garbage disposal on. Or you take your little pods here, like this is the tea one. This is a lemon blueberry passion tea, and you drop that in there. But first you have to hey, be nice. First you put this in there, line up the spots, and line up the spots. There we go. And you would drop your pot in there, close it. I'm not going to close it because it's going to, there's a little knife under there or whatever. It's going to poke a hole in the top of that. So you close that, and of course you fill it up with water, and then you hit your brew button, and that is coffee or tea, so I use that for coffee. And I think that's about it. I'll show you guys the clean job I did, and kid is watching videos, so we're celebrating a little bit today, having some fun. Well, not really, but anyway, thanks for watching.